Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we're talking about how to make friends with the Chinese people. Instead of just showing you some sentences, I would tell you what we are thinking. Meanwhile, I'll show you some ideas. And we're going to talk about in a party and in the life. Alright? Okay, let's get started. So, first one, in a party. The most important is who, where, why.Who, you can say, for example, 你好，我叫 James， 我来自英国 for where, and why, you may say, 我在这里学习汉语 or 我在这里工作 or you can say, 我在这里做生意 do business. Then you stop. You wait until people say something.因为很多中国人啊，他们是很害羞的，一开始不要说太多 Alright? People might say 你好，我叫婷，很高兴认识你 Okay, then you may say 我也很高兴认识你 After that, you may just start with one sentence 你是本地人吗？你是本地人吗？ And you might get the answer 是或不是 No matter you get the answer 是或不是 You will have a lot to talk. For example, she said 是的，我是本地人哦，太好了，可以给我介绍一下这个城市吗？可以给我介绍一下这个城市吗？ If the answer is no, I'm not from city, then you can ask her 那么你来自哪个城市呢？ Where is your hometown?Oh, can you tell me something about your hometown? Then you can have infinitive topic you can talk about. Alright? The most important is who, where, why. And you start with this sentence, Are you a local? 你是本地人吗？ Then you can talk about the rest. Second, what to say in the life? So let's pretend that in your university canteen or the restaurant near your company, 你总是遇到一个人，然后你想，OK, 为什么不试试交个朋友呢？ You point a seat and you say, 这里有人吗？这里有人吗？ And you might get the answer yes or no. If you're not very annoying, usually the answer should be no. You can free to sit and you start your conversation with this sentence.我经常在这里看到你。你是这个学校的学生吗？我经常在这里看到你。Oh, I often see you here. Are you the student of the university? Or 你在附近上班吗？That means, do you work nearby? Then you may get the answer yes or no. Let's pretend the answer is yes. Then you may say, 我也是这个学校的学生，我学习汉语。Or you may say, 我也在这附近上班，我在 blah 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 building. Alright? If you found that people are still interested to talk to you, and you may start with, 你好，我叫 James， 我是英国人。Then he might introduce she or himself, and you started the same sentence with Oh, okay. 你是本地人吗？ And you can talk a little bit more about that. Eventually, if you find, okay, she or he is very interested about you, you can immediately change your social media, something. And if he or she's reaction is like, okay, just answer your question, so maybe not. Alright, this is everything what I want to share today. I hope it more or less inspire you something. Click like, subscribe, see you.